Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to change Facebook email address. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Facebook application and then just go to the three lines icon and then head over to settings and privacy. Tap all settings. Go to Meta Account Center and then scroll down and you will see option of personal details under account settings section, and there you will find your email just under the contact info. So tap on it and then just tap on the email you just want to change, and then just you can delete your email address or add to another account from here. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.